friends, I'm back with another unboxing again. So I'm gonna show you, and it's gonna be a surprise for all of you, and I'm gonna count till 5. You have to like, subscribe and share so you can watch the magic. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the time is over now, so let's get started. So here we can open it easily. We don't even need scissors for this, and we need scissors here. Cut it open, and the surprise is 1, 2 and 3. Here, this is packed, and this is what is the surprise. This is the surprise. These are invisible ink pens, so I'm gonna open one of these. Actually, I want to open the yellow one. It also has a cute print. Here first, just like medicines, we open medicines. We just need to open it like this here. Oh, it's easy to open. So I'm gonna show you how to use it right away. Here we have a pen, so we open it. This is the actual, it's short but it's very nice. So I'm gonna write something. I'm gonna write I'm gonna dark the room now, and I have written something. You can see it after that, and it's like a magic. So let's get the magic. Look, now I'm gonna on the light. Wait a minute, and it's written like it, like the video. So this is the magic, and it's really nice. And now I have on it, you can see, and now I'm gonna show you the print it has. It really have a cute print. I'm gonna write something again, and I will write so I have written it down. Now time for the magic, but you have to wait only 2 seconds. 1 and 2. Now you can see the magic again. So let's see it. Now the magic is, I write my name here. You can see I have written my name. My name is Priyanka. You guys know my name now. And friends, I literally prefer it. It's really cool. See, I am showing, and there is a light attached to the camera. If you press this button, it will be on and off, and it will, as I told you, it's an invisible ink, so the nib is white. And this doesn't only come in yellow, it also come in blue, and there is also a really cute print, you can see, and it's a very good one. I love this one. As you can also use these. I'm also gonna show these to you. I will show you these in some of my other videos. So bye bye. And if you wanna buy this, then go to the description, you will get it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye friends, see you in my next video.